Meghan Markle finally gets something that she truly wished for, but will it be worth it in the end? Hi, good morning, Neil Sean here in the very heart of Yorkshire today. Yes, we're still in God's own country, as they call it. Wonderful place. Recommend that you visit, of course. And you never know who you're going to bump into. Lots of famous people, as we all know, came from Yorkshire. I guess the most famous, apart from me, is, of course, I'm joking, of course, is the Bronte sisters. Everybody talks about the Bronte sisters. Some wonderful Bronte trails up in Haworth and all that sort of area. When you think about it, they also did visit in and around many areas of Yorkshire. And of course, there's that ongoing debate, isn't there? Was Robin Hood part Yorkshire, or was he truly all Nottingham? Who really knows? Of course, a lot of people think I'm not old enough to remember. I wasn't actually there. But back as ever to your breaking roll story of the day. So Meghan Markle, as we know, had a very, very busy 2021, seemingly getting legal with quite a lot of people. But how has that really affected the ongoing presence and brand of Harry and Meghan? Well, it remains to be seen really how that will pan out. But as we recently saw, Meghan for the second time won her case against associated newspapers. That are, of course, the printers of the Mail Online, the Mail on Sunday and the Daily Mail UK. This, of course, is all part of that ongoing battle, in fact, really centering around her father, Thomas Markle, because he, as he stated publicly, we don't need to say allegedly here, he stated publicly that he free and willingly gave a letter to the publication that his daughter Meghan had written to him. She claimed, of course, allegedly, that it infringed her privacy. And really what happened was the fact that they printed too many words in the eye of the ruling judge, which made it, well, an infringement of privacy. So today, here in the United Kingdom, Meghan finally got what she wished for, which was a front page apology. Now, you would have need to have been inch-high private eye to actually seen this front page apology, because it was right at the bottom of page 1, basically saying that you could then go to page 3 if you so wish to read exactly what they were going to do. Well, I've saved you the time, as have a lot of people not bothered to read it, but I'll tell you what really is going to happen next. The Associated News Group will be paying, as they claim, legal remedies. Now, it's rumoured to be over £1 million towards Miss Meghan Markle. Now, what we've been told is this, that Meghan, alongside Prince Harry, the former prince, of course, of the British monarchy, sometime known as Hazza or H, depending on what she decides to call him, are going to be, we believe, as ever, allegedly, donating a sizable chunk of that money to some of their favourite charities. Now, we're not sure exactly how much money Miss Markle has ascertained from the Mail Online, but it's going to be interesting because this is really a bit of a groundbreaking case, and it's something that normally senior royals here in the United Kingdom don't bother to undertake. They always threaten legal action, but they hope that the paper will back down, issue some kind of apology and maybe write a gushing tribute. It wasn't that in the case, of course, of Meghan. She saw it through. The bigger problem now for Meghan is this. It looks like 2022 could be a bad year for Meghan. It's all really hinges on this brand new book, which is going to be released in the early part by the celebrated author Tom Bower. Now, according to very good sources, it looks like Associated News Limited could be buying up the serialization rights to that book. And as we've told you before here on this show, he's got into great detail, speaking with many people, past and present, who were associated with Miss Markle prior to her pre-fame association with the British monarchy, and of course going right back to her school days. Now, a lot of people may say, well, this is just tittle-tattle gossip, how interesting will it be? Of course, that bit to me wouldn't be interesting. But of course, speaking to former members who worked with the actress on that cable TV series Suits, and more importantly, some of the ex-staff that she was associated with within the British monarchy, would of course be enticing for readers, particularly of the Mail Online, Daily Mail and Mail on Sunday. So it looks like the battle to have the final say, at least between those two, is not quite over yet. And perhaps this could be a very rocky start for, of course, the former royal known as Meghan, Duchess of Sussex. When I know more, you'll know more. Neil Sean in the very heart of Yorkshire.